Hey guys, I just got to my hotel room and you guys, it is so cute. I'm going to give you guys a room tour straight away. But guys, the way I passed out in the Uber, like I got in my Uber and I slept off immediately. I'm sure the guy was looking at me like, who is this person? It was like almost an hour's trip and I slept the whole time. Actually, was it up to an hour? Let me see. My watch is dead. Yeah, it was about 45 minutes and I slept the whole time. Slept off, passed out until we got here. He was the one that even woke me up. That was how bad I slept off. But yeah, let me show you guys the top of the room. So starting from the door, you just come to see this wardrobe. Yeah, it has like hangers and stuff. Oh, it has light as well. It has like bulbs in there which is really cute. Then on the left hand side you have the bathroom. There's a standing shower right here, very cute. And then you see the mirror and yeah, the toilet is right here, so it's demarcated. Actually, the shower and the toilets are not in the same exact room. There's a demarcation. And guys, you have a bathtub. Maybe I will take a bath this night, actually, just for the fun of it. And there's like glass that separates it from the room, so if you're having a bath here, the person in the room will be able to see you, and vice versa. But yeah, this is me. This is what I'm wearing. Still waiting for my friend. Really, she's still on her flight. She's not here yet, but she should be here in about 2 to 3 hours. But yeah, so yeah, here this is so nice. I like the decor. Actually, the decor is really nice. So you have your towels and too bright. Yeah, and then here you have your glass for brushing and what else, and complimentary sewing kits. Okay, so coming out of the bathroom, you have this huge mirror. Yeah, you have this huge mirror, really cute. And then you have the room. You have your tea, wine glass area here, a big storage area here, a cooler here, more storage. Then this is the bed, guys. It's so cute and it's so big. I love big beds. I can roll in it. And then this is like a work area, a desk and a chair and a couch. And yeah, just really cute, you guys. Another mirror. I love places that have multiple mirrors. Love. Yeah, then to the view, we have a lovely view of the whole of Lagos, guys. Look at this view, guys. No, really, look at this view. Just look at that. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. I love it a lot, guys. You can literally see the whole of Lagos from here. So when I was about to enter, like when I was checking in, they actually asked me like, did I want a room high up or a room down low? And I'm like, nobody picks a down low room. Like, that's crazy. If you pick a down low room, I don't understand why you would ever do that to yourself. If a room high up is available, best believe I'm getting the high up room, because those have the best views. Guys, can you see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm saying? Can you just see? Can you see what I'm saying? Beautiful. Yeah, anyway, so that's that about the tour. Guys, I want to sleep. Okay, that's the next thing on the agenda. I actually need to sleep. I'm still running at a deficit, to be honest. I've not really slept from yesterday's call, so I still really need that sleep. So yeah, I'm going to try and get that soon, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, I hope it's a fun couple of hours, the next few hours to 2 days. But yeah, I'll bring you guys along and you'll see the shenanigans we get up to. Okay, bye. Hey guys, I slept. The way I passed out, very crazy. I slept. My friend just got to the hotel. She's not here, she's in another room. Yeah, she just got to the hotel and I'm going to see her. So I'm going to get up now and start getting ready. Okay, my hair looks really jacked up, but it is what it is. I have to get ready really fast because we are going to miss a reservation if I don't. So I'll see you guys when I'm ready. Bye.
Enemies, I get them too much. Busy body and all this I talk. David Wonder, no do minus. Till my music reaches Cyprus, let me thank God. I know, killer jukini jack guns. If you reach your turn, you go take off. I'm a petty lover, then they jealous. Pretty jealous. Salam alaika, make I no waste this saliva. Who could help me? I just no go distress me. So I focus on my yoga. I dey on my way. I dey my nobody kill my yoga. I dey on my way. I dey my nobody kill my yoga. I dey on my way.
Hey guys, so I am ready and good to go. Guys, the way I rushed, this is so weird. Anyway, yeah, the way I was rushing, very crazy. Okay, so yeah, I am ready. My top is opally, my pants, let me see if I can show you guys real quick. Hold on. Yeah, my pants are pretty little thin. They are very flared. I'll try to show you guys in the mirror properly, and I'm just going to put on heels. Let me show you my bag. Yeah, so I am going with this gold bag. It is a very colorful outfit which I really love because I don't do that a lot on a normal day. So when I have the chance, I like to go all out pretty much. So this is what I'm looking like. I look like a babe, right? I know you don't need to tell me. I know myself that I look like a babe. But yeah, that's what we're looking like.
I've been on the phone calling you tonight. I'm gonna make a strong move. Make we know the vibes and no one sleep alone. Wanna hold you tight, but that for my eyes.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm literally just waking up and oh my god, it is 9:20 and I need to get out of bed and like rush because we have a full day planned for today. Yesterday we went to dinner with some friends. Then from dinner we went to Zaza. Then from Zaza we went to W Bar. So that was pretty much what we did, and it was nice actually. It was really good. I loved my outfits, which was very funny because I never thought about combining those two things before yesterday, but it came out really nice, which I really like. But yeah, now I need to hurry. This vlog is not vlogging, but who are we going to blame, really? Who are we going to blame? Nobody. So I'm considering so for this morning, either I order in breakfast or I go to Maple for breakfast, right? So I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet, but yeah, I'm going to see. I really want to go to Maple, but I don't know yet. You guys will see what we get up to, really. Bye. Yeah, so there's a shower cap here. Even though I brought my own. but I'm just going to use this one. Really. Guys, I tore it. It's terrible quality. Okay, it's terrible quality because why is it torn? Really. Thank God I brought my own. I need to hurry and get dressed. Today we are actually cutting it too close. Like, we're cutting it insanely close. I hope that we get all the things that we want to get done, because to be honest, like, I don't know how we're going to pull it off, but we'll see how we can pull that off. Okay, bye. Mine is for 12 p.m. and it's like quarter to 12 right now, so I'm just in time. This is not far. Yeah, so let's get what we can do. Okay.
It's so annoying that you're smart, that your casual conversation, even a short duration, can cover everything from science-based to art. It's so obnoxious that you're kind, that you always have time for family and help out everybody, as if a million things don't occupy your mind. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? How can I resist you? It's maddening that you make me smile, even at times when no one else can. When I get overwhelmed and I want the world to fade away just for a while. Over the top that you're so cute, and that if you and David stood there both side by side, I bet that oh Michelangelo would be surely carving you. If you could be just a little less.
That's the norm. Yeah. Say hi. We're in Landmark D. Yeah. And what are we going to do?
We're about to actually go to a gun range, bang bang, but it's not real guns. We're not pro-violence, we just want to have fun.
Right? Are we doing the other thing?
And
I don't think so. Which
we
one
were
should
gonna
we do?
also do jet skiing.
Yeah,
It's
jet
too
skiing,
late.
yeah.
We were gonna do jet skiing earlier, so when I come back in
Yeah,
December, we'll do jet skiing.
Yeah,
with
do
Ro.
that. Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up. Working all the time, make it duller. Be a student, try to make $1. Wanna live life like I'm on vacation. Gotta get